I'm at the railroad tracks in Linden in Carpinteria, just having a lot of memories. This big building here used to be Calavo packing house, and I would bring my avocado bins down here, and they'd pack them right here in the larger part of that building. And it's just so different now. Okay, I'm just going to ride along here, go around this block here. I'm on Linden, nice day. November 11, 2022. Anyway, used to drop off the avocados here, and I think they may have used all three of these big buildings. I don't know about that, but at least a couple of them. They had all the equipment to drop off the avocados and sort through them, put them in a box, and ship them out. And now there's a friend of mine, good friend of mine, Costa. Anyway, he used to be further down on Dump Road. Now he's over here. Then they got the flag factory. There's a lot of business here in Carpinteria, little small business places. And I've lived here a long time, and I've walked around some, but this block intrigues me. Maple and 6th. And you find just a lot of little small independent businesses going on here. And then residential over there, apartments, little cottages, beach type cottages, older. Island Brewing Company. This is 500, I don't know what, 506th Street or whatever, I don't know. And several little, looks like, I don't know if it's one or several businesses in here. And I love the little beach cottages. Gosh. And you wouldn't believe they're worth a fortune now. Now here's a nice little business. Dirt Botanical. Looks like they have looks like a crane at one time, but it's repurposed now. Boy, I just love little back alleys and places like this. So fascinating. Off the beaten path. And these are offices or something. Now I'm going to try and cut over to the railroad tracks. Where was I? No. No. I'm riding an Electra beach cruiser that I bought after my hip replacement. Anyway, that accounts for some of the groaning and bumps that you hear. Anyway, coming up here, making a left turn.
Here's where
This
I want
place
to go.
is really, it's just, you know, it's very popular, you know, well attended, but you can see
Really
how
it's not easy
weird,
to find
how what a
unless you
strange
really know
location. You come
the
around, there's
territory.
parking there, and it is a great place, you know,
Very
to
popular place.
socialize and imbibe. There it is on the right.
Haven't been here in a long time.
I think I've been there maybe one time, but I've heard, you know, it's really, really good beverages and eats.
Okay, I'm almost back to where
Okay,
I
we're
started.
almost done here. We're coming back to where I started out. On the
Really
left,
kinda difficult
railroad
access
tracks,
to the
straight
front
ahead,
doors.
Linden. And
But,
I hope you
somehow it's
enjoyed
so popular
the
that
video.
people make their way here. And then, of course, you got foot traffic from the beach, and over there is the spot. Another historically popular place right there. Okay, that's it.